channel Creatively Inspired. This is Denise. You can call me D. And today I was thinking maybe I'll just do a little review on this new Surebonder Hot glue gun. So far, before I even open the package, first of all, I did get this on Amazon.com. Then also, I have the other Surebonder that everyone uses the detail, and this here, for some reason, it looks so much more fine, like fine detail. It's the smallest I've seen so far, and that I really, really like. That's a plus right there. Because if you look, I'll show you in a minute. Let me see. The Aleen's, I love. I don't know if you can read that. I love this one. You could change the tips. I know I don't think there's any such thing as a nice looking glue gun if you're really using it right. But anyway, you can change the tips on these. But this one is, it goes low and high, really hot. And I love this one. There's hardly any drippage from this gun at all. It stands on its own. You can unplug it, and you have so much time you could work with it without it being, plugged in. These glue sticks last so long. You feel like you're not even going through them. It's amazing. I love this. But sometimes I like little ones. And of course, here's my detail glue gun here. Look at the tip. The tip is not detailed as the new one. And the other thing I noticed before I opened the package is that it has a lay down safety. So it must be this here for all of us crafters who are in the habit of just going like this really quick with your gun, just throwing it down. But I actually made a little box to just put mine in. I just kind of throw it in there so it's always upright. Okay, I'm going to open this here, and I'm probably going to be fast forwarding through some of this here when I make the video. So, my mom gave me these scissors from somewhere. They weren't anything, what are they called? If you can see that. I don't know if you can see what that is in there. Can you see? I don't know. I've had them forever, and they help me because I have nerve damage and whatnot, so it's hard sometimes to open things, and these scissors are amazing. This plastic, though, it's so dangerous. You could totally cut yourself on it. It's so sharp. I would be really careful with it. See, like, other than that, without these scissors, I would have never been able to just do what I just did here. Put the safety back on. Put them away for another package, right? If I even did this one right, I might not have opened it enough. Maybe. Okay, so now we're taking it out of the package. It's going to be funny if I do a voiceover instead. Kind of would like to. Maybe I make this silly. Fighting to get it out of this box. This sharp box. Trash. Crafters, do not save this. It's trash. This is what you save. This is garbage as well. Trash. If you want to save your instructions, fine. Plastic, it's trash, crafters. This is trash. Don't forget it. Because if you don't put it in the trash, it will end up somewhere in your room. And that's not going to be a pretty sight. So, now I guess what I might do is, see, I'm just kind of checking all this out here. This must be the way to, when you protect it, I guess, to throw it on its side. So let's see. I mean, all right. So it doesn't want to stand up so great on its own. All right, there it is. This cord. Why wouldn't it do it the first time I was doing it? Is it the way the wire was? Maybe. Yeah, you gotta fix your wire, I guess. All right, there. Look at the detail tip on here. Can you see that? I'm gonna show you my dirty one. I didn't turn it on, right? No, the first one says it's detailed. That's a detailed tip. Look at the difference in the tips. Can you all see that? Am I showing this all right? Can you even make that out on my skin? I can't tell because my computer's way across the other side over there. Okay. All right. Let's see. I'm going to put this one back. Then I got to see where I might have something open to be plugging in something. I need space. All right. I'm going to plug my... Okay. I'm going to plug my glue gun in. And I guess that just doesn't say on or off. Is there a light? Yeah, there's a light. There it is. There's a light. See the light? No, I guess I'm gonna let it get warmed up. I can use some of my new glue sticks. My nice clear glue sticks. Let me see how these work too. So like shim that in, and let's see how this goes. Kind of curious, you know, how much drippage we may get. I also want to see how long it takes to heat up. And you know, it's really funny. I haven't tied it. Oh, that got a little kitten running around. She's adorable. Okay. Let's see how long this takes, huh? I wonder if it drips out the bottom if it's ready. I don't even know. I forgot. It's been so long since I've had a new one. But, I mean, at least they made the bottom so it could have a better chance of standing up. The bottom on the original one, you know, the cord was there. Obviously, you couldn't do it. So I just, you know, hang it over. I'll show you my box. It's got glue in it from all its uses. And I've got a... Where this is warming up, I'll show you. All this was I'm gonna shut this one off, so I don't want to getting burned trying to show you this. Okay, this is years I've had this. I've seen a little like ceramic trivet that you would get, you know, to put your hot plates on. I mean, well, it is like a hot plate to put your plates that are hot on it. Well, you know. Anyhow, so I got that from thrift store. I don't even know if I paid more than $1 for it. And I liked the color, and I was using it first like that until Dollar Tree came out with these things, and I, you know, still have to clean all this here, but I stuck this on top of it. And this Surebonder gives a lot of glue melt. So we'll see how this new one does. But what I did here is I just measured that trivet, and I just took some chipboard and I cut it to fit and glued it all together and made sure the corners and everything stayed on to that trivet. Did I do anything on the bottom? Oh, yeah, just put paper on it, that's all. Maybe even put some chipboard on the bottom, and then that's a little bit bigger, so when you put this down, it'll stay to the bottom, so it's kind of like you're making a box to put the trivet in. And then it's so easy when I'm crafting. just drop it in, even if it lays down or whatever. It's always somehow, or it gets hooked on, like, you know, it'll just it always stays for me. So I didn't have to worry about that tipping. But now, as you can see, we have this new one that has these type of wings on the side. You see that? Trying to see. Yeah, I can smell it. It smells nice and new. It's warm. It's warm. Let me see. It's getting really good. I've got some of this. Let me just cut a piece. Just gonna try. All right, let's see. Doesn't seem to be dripping, but I don't also have anything going through. Let's see how this goes. Is it ready? Is it ready? We're gonna get you through. Because once it comes through, then we'll see. It's got a bit of a smoky smoke coming through. Maybe it's because it's brand new. I've never had one that smoked. Unless it was on fire and it blew up and I had to hurry up and get rid of it. Alright, so how long does it take? Like, how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop? It's a lot of pushes. Alright, there we go. There we go. Let's see how detailed. Can you see? Detail. Ooh, ooh, I like that. Look how detailed that line is. And then you stop it right there. Ha. Now, let's see how much it leaks when I do this. So I'm going to take this up and show you. Ready? Can you see that little, how fine that strip went? I can't tell from where I'm at, if you can see. Very, very detailed. Very, very fine detail. That is awesome. Okay. But we're getting some drippage. You get drippage a lot on glue guns. You just, it happens, but I just don't like it when it does it a whole bunch, because then you waste your glue. Even though I have a whole 5-pound box of it, I still don't want to waste even a drop. That's why I made sure my trash went in the trash, because I will save my trash too. All right, see, that's a little bit there, but I don't know how much more will come out. Let's see. Leave one there and see. Can you even see? No, probably not. Let's see if I can open this up somehow. Let's see. There. So, see the glue coming out over here? It's all coming out over there, but it's not anything to worry about just yet. You know, but I wonder if it would drip if it was on its side. Yeah. It's got a funny smell because it's new. It's saying it's a high temp. So I just noticed that. Make sure you're careful, because it is a high temp. Well, I guess it's going to take some using to really get to know this little gun a little better, right? This little glue gun, and to see how it goes. I could see some drippage coming out of there. Can you see the drippage? It's not like a whole ton, but we don't know that until we're done, you know, when we're going over there to get our turn with it, and we see how much is sitting there. Surebonder right now for the Surebonder High Temp Detail Glue Gun. Hopefully the picture I put in here of it. And also I'm trying to decipher if I like the smell of this glue gun. I don't know. It doesn't smell like your typical glue gun smell that I like to smell, oddly, like I do paper. We all crafters, I guess, right? We all like to sniff glue and sniff paper. But anyway, and save trash. No, you can't save trash. You got to get rid of the trash. But seriously, so far we'll have to see, I guess. And yeah, I'll put the link down below, where I got it from on Amazon. But so far, look at the tip. That tip is a nice, whoops, that's a nice tip. Really nice tip. Hopefully this little review here that I did was helpful to everyone on deciding whether or not if you want to purchase the newer one. I so far like it a whole lot better for the detailed tip. It's very detailed, very, very detailed. And it has the side wings on it, so you can lay it down. It's a nice high temp, and I love the stand on the bottom as well, because it has a better chance of making it into the upright position than it does when you're throwing it down. So that's always nice. But you do have to make sure you have the cord right, because then, you know, it won't stay up. But so far, I don't see a lot of bad glue marks. I just see little burpees of it, like. Okay, so I think I might end up really liking this. I put away for a spare glue gun that I was going to use, if, you know, when my other one finally gave out. But I liked the detailed tip, and I couldn't wait to try to see if it was, you know, better or not. And yes, I'm going to have to say I definitely give this 2 thumbs up. But I'm holding this, so let's see. 2 thumbs up. So this is a great buy so far. If I end up having any issues with it in the future, I will definitely make sure I note that down so anyone would know. But if you do have this one, please leave in the comments what kind of hot glue gun are you using, and is it working for you? I would like to know what everybody's using and how you store them, how you hold them. Do you just leave them when you're using them? Did you make something for them? Did you buy something for them? But yeah, if you can leave in the comments down below what kind of glue gun you use, I'd really appreciate it. I'd like to know. And yeah, if anyone has this one, I'd like to know what what do you think of this gun? What do you think of this hot glue gun? Do you like it? Is it better? But we'll see. But yeah, anyway. Well, thank you everyone for stopping by my channel. Please, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. So this way you know when I upload videos. So you won't miss my newest videos, because I never know when I'm going to do one. But thank you so much for stopping by, everyone. See you soon.